Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So earlier yesterday we did take this sell trade on jump index, and in this video I want to share with you this simple knowledge that if you use it effectively, it will change your trading career to a very great length. So I want you to listen to me attentively to ask why we did enter sell positions on this jump 50 index yesterday. Now, I've always been a fan of saying you should always go with the trend, because you as a beginner trader, obviously you'll be trading with very little amount of capital in your trading. That amount, it is not capable of changing any market direction. So the only way, I repeat, the only way for you to be safe is always go with the trend. It is easier that way for you to trade, guys and girls. As you can see on this market was moving in a downtrend. It is not magic. You can see this market was moving in a downtrend. Why? You can see it was moving, providing you with series of lower lows and lower highs, just like this. You can see for yourself this market was moving in a downtrend. So the best way for you to trade, after you have identified that this market right now is moving in a downtrend, then just wait for the market to do a retest and for you to have your entries. That simple concept alone, it is what made us this lots of money, I with those members in the Telegram. And by the way, if you want to join my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. So this is the best way for you to ride trend continuations, so that you can ride a trend. And this is the way that we always trade. You just wait. There's just a simple concept that it is found anywhere. Just wait for the market to either retest this point or to retest to this point, because as the saying goes, if the previous low high of the downtrend market movement is broken above this point right here, then that would mean that this market has already broken this trend. So if this market comes and breaks all the way above this point right here, you can say, okay, this market is officially over. But if it respects this level, then it means that this downtrend market, it is still on, and this can be your varied entry positions. For those that will enter on a retest right here, of course your stop loss should be above this structure, because that means if this structure is broken, then that downtrend, it is over. So on this trade, we said, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. We said, okay, let us study how this market was moving. Let us start. You can see, okay, we had our low here, a low high, break of the structure, a retest, break of the structure, retest, break of the structure, a retest, and our entry. This was one of the most easiest entries that you will ever find in your trading. Now, do not be in a rush of losing money. Never be in a rush of losing money. So let me ask you this question: what it is stopping you? What's that thing that it is stopping you from entering such kinds of trades? Sometimes the market may be rough. I can confidently say that you'll not be viewing these movements each now and then, but it is worth it. If that money is any worth to you, then you will just wait until you get such a clear entry opportunities such as this, so that you can win big, especially for those traders who are looking to grow their trading accounts. So I just wanted to do a quick recap for you, because all of those guys in my Telegram group have been asking me, sir, why did you take a sell trade on jump 50 index? So I thought, okay, let me just share this simple knowledge with you so that you can see it is not magic. It is just simple concept that I'm sure most of you know, but just for some reason choose to